I've heard from many people that this has been one of the most trying years of their lives. I don't know how you're faring, but I hope you're keeping your chin up. Is certainly a palpable level of fear in the air right now, and for different reasons. Wherever your fears originate, I'm fairly certain of two things. Number one, this will pass. Number two, the future is very likely going to be different from what you fear it may be. I try to keep those two things in mind when I find myself falling into negativity over the state of things. Remember as well that you are more powerful than you give yourself credit for. Far more powerful. That much I promise you. So don't give up. Never give up hope. Victory is simply a matter of patience most of the time. This week, many of us have an opportunity to unplug. If you're celebrating, then I hope you're able to take some time away from it all to enjoy the company of friends and family in this week. Either way, I hope you're able to take some time to do something just for you, even if it's just for an hour or two. There's nothing more important right now than giving yourself the love, kindness, and respect that you deserve. Thank you for being a subscriber and follower, and happy holidays from our home to yours.